Hey you, and welcome to this video where we help you out how to highlight text in Premiere Pro. First of all, we created this color matte and now we click here on the T and we write something down, something like highlights. Then we put this here exactly in the middle and there, and now we want to create a nice highlight. So what we're gonna do is very easy. We click here on this sign right here, and then you can do two highlights. The first one is the background. So let's say if you want the background on yellow, we change it to yellow, and then you can make it bigger with this. And now we created this highlight, what you maybe want. The other way how we can do this is turn this one off, and then we go to shadow. And if you already see the color of the shadow, you can change the color by clicking on this nice color theme, and then you can create this type of highlights. Now you can also change the fulfillment. Then right here you can change where it's standing. You can change right here the thickness, and then right here you can also give it a little bit of shadow. But this is how you can create highlights in Premiere Pro. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.